So it is currently raining, and I am out here in a jacket letting some of the chickens free range. I'm actually letting all of them free range, but some of them aren't too keen on it. The lorps are out here. You can see the water just kind of beating on their backs, forming little droplets. And I don't know how or where they are that it's even raining. Although every now and then one of them will kind of wiggle and send all the droplets flying. Amelia is currently inside working on laying an egg, I think. And Victoria is in there as well. I'm not totally sure where she is. Let's have a peek. Victoria is over on that one. Amelia, are you all done? I see 2 eggs in there. One of them's under you. You can be proud, you're all done. Or is that somebody else's blue egg? Yeah? Alright, I'll come get that later. The door's open if you want to come out. Alright, let's come keep an eye on these chickens. Yeah, hi Amelia, you all done? I think we heard you finishing up. Yeah, chickens are not too smart. Amelia, you gotta come this way. Amelia, you gotta keep coming this way. The way out is over here. Amelia. Yep, come jump it. Over here, dearie. There you go. Chickens are not good at solving mazes. Even a maze that's as simple as this. Yet somehow they have the spatial reasoning to find their way back home at night. Doesn't make too much sense to me. Victoria, I hope your egg's out by the time we're done out here. Ladies, this would be a good time to find some worms too if you want to go in the woods. I think Caroline's starting in on that already. They do like a nice variety when they forage. I think they tend to start with these berries here falling off our tree. I keep looking it up because I keep forgetting what it is. And it drops these little black berries all over the yard. And the chickens love them. So that's one of the things that they'll eat when they forage, I've noticed. They also really like just leafy greens, like our grass and our clover. And of course, we do not use any fertilizer or pesticides in our grass. As far as I'm concerned, any bugs in our grass that live outside are living where I want them to, because they're not inside. And then, of course, their final target is the worms. And it seems as though they will come out here and they'll pick at the berries and the grass, and then they'll slowly make their way into the woods and start scraping up some worms. We did cut the grass this morning, so they've got a fresh layer of fresh grass, and it's interesting to note that when I put it in, I just dump it in a pile. And the chickens do a pretty good job of spreading it out. So, kind of a natural litter for their run, which they poop all over. And then we change that out once a week, but I feel like we've got enough grass growing that probably change it more often. Just send some kid out to cut the grass again, and we'll have a fresh layer. We got an electric mower, and when I first got it, well, I guess this isn't fair to say. I was going to say that when I first got it, it lasted an entire, mowing. So we only have like a half acre or so. But then I remembered that it wasn't fully charged when I sent him out, so that there's that one strip there by the trees that's not cut. And then in the back there, you can see that there's another area that's not cut. And we didn't even cut the front. Victoria, you almost done in there? Not hearing any lightning with this rainstorm, which is great. Because we like our chickens, and we like fried chicken, but we don't want our chickens to be fried chickens. So not interested in any lightning. Tonight's dinner was going to be burgers, but with the rain and the fact that it's hard to get a fire started on the grill in the rain, I think we're moving to sweet and sour chicken. Not you, ladies. You're safe, Beth. You chickens are lucky chickens. As long as you stay healthy, you get to live nice, long, natural lives. Oh, I didn't think I had this much to say for a second video of the day. Caroline's happily hopping along there. Or was. Amelia, you finished up just in time to come join us, huh? Nice little wiggle there. All right. Well, listen, Amelia, you keep working, not Amelia, Victoria, you keep working on that egg, and I'm going to follow the other chickens for a while. They definitely seem thrilled to be out here. It's kind of funny because usually as people we consider wet weather miserable, but the chickens just do not care. Nice thick coating of feathers, and they are happy as clams. In fact, you can sometimes see the water just bouncing off their feathers. I'm surprised we haven't gone into the forest yet. But I suppose you can't beat fresh rain for water, huh? Alright, I'm going to keep my eye on these 6 chickens while the last one lays, and I'm going to say goodbye to my viewers. Say goodbye, chickens. Goodbye, chickens.